The purl stitch is one of my favorite knitting stitches on a loom. At first I thought it was kind of tough, but once I got the hang of it, I loved it and really like the look of it on my finished projects. So to begin, I've already casted the yarn onto my loom. First thing to notice is that to be able to do this purl stitch a little bit easier, you'll need to have your cast on higher up on your peg. You can see here it's at the upper part of our peg. Then we'll lay our working yarn below the yarn already on the peg. And one little tip here, I was always taught to remember this, is to dig for the purl stitch. So we're digging for oysters to get the purl. So we insert our loom hook on top, and then we just follow the guideline, as most of these newer looms have, and we'll dig behind the yarn on our loom, scoop down, and when I'm scooping I like to pull that yarn out a little bit to help with the ease of doing the stitch, and then fetch the working yarn. And to fetch the working yarn, I will turn my hook to grab it and pull it back up in between the loom and the yarn on our loom, and keep bringing that working yarn all the way up to form a new loop. Then we'll take the old loop off and replace it with this new loop we've just formed. And then we need to tighten that yarn back up, but make sure to loosely tighten that yarn, or next round will be more difficult. Now we'll move on to the next one. Scoop down in, grab the working yarn, pull up a new loop, take the old loop off, put the new loop on, and slightly tighten our yarn. I'll do a couple more here. Hope this video helps the purl stitch make a little bit more sense to you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be informed when I release my next video tutorial.